Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray coupe with fuel injection. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated 1964 Corvette Stingray, aka a fuel injected, only 1,324 produced, 375 horsepower, matching number vehicle, 4-speed transmission, black on black interior, AM/FM radio, Kelsey Hayes Western wheels, 806 produced, backup lights. Car has always been garaged by California collector. And then it shows the mileage as TMU, true miles unknown. And it's sold for $61,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good looking car. Price seemed to be a little bit light for it, being a fuel injected car, but sometimes that happens at the auction. That's why you're usually safe putting a reserve on it. You can always lift it, but if you put it no reserve, then you're done. You get what it gets. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray coupe, fuel injected, that sold for $61,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.